don't know if this will show up better on video or not. I'm going to go to number 1 injector, and I'm going to rotate it really slow, and you can see a wrench mark at the top there, and some more dings, and not bad. So we're going to go with a number 2 injector, and you can see where I've had to, the shiny part there is where I've had to file off the pipe wrench or whatever apparatus they use to remove this injector. Number 3 is got a few wrench marks on it, a little ding up there in the corner, but not so well. And please note the Cummins gray paint on these injectors. So we're going to go to number 4. Got a wrench mark up in the corner. Sorry, this camera's not that great. Cummins gray paint. Some more wrench marks. Okay, we're going to go to number 5. This has got a wrench mark there. Some mild wrench marks. Nothing really serious. Number 6, where I filed the wrench marks off it right there because I couldn't get the compression fitting over it. That's the one side of it. There's the other side. So that was turned and it'd be turned that way. Okay. We're going to have to go over to the head here. I'm going to do that with a flashlight because we're going to look down in the holes. So in the head, number 6 cylinder, might be too bright. It's a good light. You can see where the register is machined out on that side, not intentionally, from turning injectors out. See where the register is machined out on that side. And take note of the Cummins gray engine paint right up to the edge. This got the Cummins gray engine paint right up to the edge. And if we get the light on it there properly, you'll be able to see where I can't point with my finger because I got a flashlight and a camera, so where the side of the register is machined out or ripped out via pipe wrench, big wrench. This one here is really bad, so this will be number 3 cylinder. It is virtually gone there as far as the register goes. This one here is very well ramped out of there. I wish I had a better camera. Battery's dead in my other one. Number 1 is, they decided to turn number 1 the other way. It's tore out on the other side. That gives me belief that these injectors weren't pulled straight up out of there. They were abusively turned out and with great effort in order to do the damage they did to the injectors and basically broach the side of my 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 registers here right out. In the green masking tape there. We can see down in that hole just a bit better. I think I'm looking down the... Okay. This hole here is number 2. And it's fairly well cut out turning the other way. And we're back here at number 3 again. And number 3, it's pretty well much. There's the big cut there. And number 4, take another look. Maybe get a different angle on it here. And where the heck's the hole? There it is right there. So that one's actually, it is, you can see the damage. You almost got another register there. And that's the damage there on those registers. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll go back to number 6 injector here. That one looked like it took a fair round of whack to get it out. This one here was just pretty well a wrench. Number 5. And this one here has just got a few wrench marks on it, number 4. And a few wrench marks. Number 3. Number 2 is one I had to file. It was in bad shape. And